told you, didn't I? I said to you guys, you'll be shocked when you see this.
Wow.
It's mad. Mad.
Wow.
Look how deep the swimming pool's going to be, guys. Yes, we're having a swimming pool in the garden. Wow. That hole is big.
Yeah.
I know.
What?
Let's get in.
It's no water.
So,
You're still going to get in?
shall we fill it with...
You see how deep it is there? It's about 5 foot deep and it's about 12 foot deep that side. Oh! He's just jumped in.
Jordan!
Go against the back wall, Jordan, and you can see how deep that is. Jordan is 6 foot. What, Jord? There's a midget in that hole, guys. That's how big the pool's going to be. Tiana, so you've got to be careful when this pool's finished. Do you know what? I'm going to jump in as well.
Wow.
I'm going in. Without no water, diving board. Whoa. It's only 5 foot deep there. You're in the water, big splash. Ah! Oh, look at.
So slippery. I couldn't.
Now, obviously, them ladders are there for you. What are you doing? Hold on. I'm in the pool. This one's strokes. Strokes. Right, doggy paddle. Underwater breaststroke, do it. On the floor. What about this? On your belly. Backstroke. Oh. Do a cartwheel, T.
Oh man. I did downhill.
Today? I know. Cartwheel, sit it. Woo! Okay, stop there, Joel. Oh, I bet you guys are thinking, what have we done to our garden? Well, yes, guys, there's a lot of work going off in the garden. Swimming pool is a must. Super cool videos coming up in the pool. Can't wait for that. Yeah. What are you doing with your big dockers on? Yeah. So, Tiana, me and you was in the garden.
Yeah.
Was it about a week ago? We did a vlog in the garden. Showing you guys all the bits. In fact,
flashback.
So I'm going to let you guys know what the process in the garden. Probably been wondering what's happening to our garden. Well,
our beautiful green garden has
it's
been.
turning into a brown.
Well, it's a bomb site. So Tiana, explain to your fans what that building is over there.
So that's going to be our new filming room where we film videos instead of filming it right there.
That's right, in the living room area space. Not good.
No. And then see that far down there? That's where our cars are going to go, the garage. And then you see that little door at the back? That's our storage room where we're going to put all of the toys. I'm not sure if all of them will fit or not, because we're going to have some in the bedroom. And then, oh my gosh, look at that giant mud hill.
Well, Tiana, as long as the BFTs are alright, look.
Oh, and guys, the reason why there's lots of mud is because, and right here,
Where the Bobcat tractor is.
yes, that is because we are having a swim pool. It's going to be how far deep down?
Well, I've not decided. Probably 6 foot on one side, and then we'll probably have 4 or 5 foot on the other side.
Yeah, and by the way, guys, it is going to be flattened. It's not going to be built up, so we can have a slip inside and slip and slide into the pool.
This is the path at the side of the garage. And this is going to be a glass, by the way, guys. We're going to have a glass window at the side of the garage.
We can go in now.
When we look back on this vlog, it's going to be like kind of like weird, isn't it, when it's all finished? But it's needed. It's so needed.
Yeah, and then come on.
Okay.
I don't know if all the toys will fit in here or not. Probably it will.
I want a sauna in here. That's what I would like. A sauna we can go in and relax. It's like steam or a steam room.
Oh,
or to do. Yeah.
Like for when after the swim pool.
Or the gym.
Before.
Yeah. All the lights. So this is the path. These are called gabions.
Yes, where we're going to fill them up with stones. And for in case you guys don't know, maybe some of you will.
Oh, you can show them the gabions over there, look. We've got gabions right over there. You can run over.
Come on, Dad.
Be careful on your rundown. You can show them what they're going to look like. There's
So-
gabions over there.
Yeah, we got some down this. Oh, you guys don't think they've ever saw this part of the house because we didn't show this on the house tour.
Go for it.
We're going to do another house tour once it's all finished and everything as well, right? So I don't think you guys have saw this part of the house, but so we have like steps down here. Oh, and there's our jacuzzi as well, by the way. And Mum's room, Mum and Dad's. So this is it.
They're gabions. So
Yeah. Whilst we're here, we might as well show them about the little room down there.
Go for it.
So we have
Boiler room.
more and more. Well, it's kind of like a storage room, but it's really creepy. Wait, is that spider still there? Kind of. You guys won't be able to see that. You open the door because I hate it in there.
Right, there you go. Lights on. Boom.
It is spider season.
Spider season.
And I saw a massive spider in here, so. And these are the trikes which actually still work. We've only got 2 because once when George was riding one, the seat fell off.
End of flashback.
Oh, the place looks like a bomb site. Meteorite right there. Can you actually remember what it used to look like? Oh,
Yeah.
the house tour video. The house tour video. Exactly. Oh yeah.
Well, where
we were now was just a nice bit of flat grass
Yeah,
where you were doing
we
your
did challenges on that
cartwheels.
flat.
Yeah, those challenges, the bubble wrap. Yeah, what about when we got was it this 5 million subscribers?
Yes, on the roof.
I bet the blues in their garden.
Yeah.
Blues was on here, now look.
And now we've got some half-done buildings and a meteorite hole. Do you know what? I know. Boom. Get the muscles going. So the garden is going to be one of the main focuses in the summer for videos to keep you guys entertained. We've got a lot of space here. Got a lot of video ideas coming up. Let's do some challenges. What challenges? I'm not doing it in the rain. You'll see. Let's go. Hey, where's the ladders? George, that's not going to work. It's not going to work. It's not going to work. Is that? How's it? What is? You've just ate some mud. Well, that's what the challenge is about. It's about mud.
Don't do it. No, you are crazy. No! Oh my gosh!
Flew up there. Flew up.
Gladiator!
So guys, these are the gabions with all the stones.
Not moving. Footpath down the side of the garage, guys. So this is going to be. What did you say, Tiana? This room is
The storage room.
for what?
Games and toys.
That's right. But I'd rather have a sauna in there. But Mum's saying no.
We need the storage.
We'll store him in your wardrobe where all your clothes are.
No.
So now it's coming on to the challenge. So what we're doing with the space hopper is, so we're going to be climbing up the hill on the
Hill?
space hopper.
Where's the hill?
The mud hill.
Is that what you're calling it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Show him the mud hill. This is not going to work. Up this mud hill, right across where Tiana's going,
Earlier-
on the space hopper,
Yes. And earlier I stood up there and I slipped all the way down.
right across to the other side. So, fastest first. Down below in the comments, who's the fastest? Because we've not got a stopwatch. It's raining. So it's down to you guys to see who's the most skillful and fastest out of the Famtastic family. Jordan's ready to go. He's on the space hopper. I'm backing up the mud hill. Right, Jordan. Ready, guys?
Yeah.
Ready, guys? Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Folks, time to kick it old school.
What is?
Feel cool. Give it to me, baby.
Right, guys, down below. Who's up next? Go, Tiana. Tiana. TT. 3, 2, 1, go. Up the mud hill. Ah! Keep going, keep going. Oh, that was a bit of a cheat, wasn't it, carrying that space hopper? Wait. Come on, then you've got to get on that space hopper. You going down there? What you doing? Okay.
Oh, see, that's one way.
Right, I think Daddy's up. Yeah. Okay. Boing, 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 boing. We're rolling. Give me the 3, 2, 1, Tiana.
3, 2, 1,
Go!
Yo! I don't know about that. That was a bit. I don't know what he's about to do. What? That was ridiculous. Bring your coccyx move. Jeez.
Wow, this is monster.
That was evil.
Right, I've just found the workman's boot.
Jordan, look what Mum's got on. She's got a pair of size 15 work boots.
Look at this pretty step.
The workman.
I didn't know you was building the pool. The moment what you've been waiting for, guys. Don't forget, comment down below. Mummy's up. 3, 2, 1, go! Wait! Don't be silly. You've just lost 5 seconds. Come on, climb, climb.
Yeah.
You got them boots on. Oh, she's coming, she's coming.
What?
Over that hill, over the mud hill. What? Come on then, you move. You've got the big boots.
Revving.
Revving. What is she doing, guys? Oh, oh, she's over. She's over at the checkpoint. She's over. Rescued the balloon. Rescued the space hopper. Let's go. The finish line is here. Just here, down here. Come on, up. Are you actually on that space hopper?
I am now.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. What do you mean? Come on then. There's no rocks, it's just all mud. She's doing it sideways. Ah! What a thing. Whoa. Come on, guys. Comment down below who was the best at the mud hill. What are they called again? Space Hopper Challenge. Do it right now, guys. You just know it's me.
I got a good finish to the end.
Over the cockpit, right there. Stay fantastic, and as always, you're super duper. Ooh. Do you know what? I'm going to pick myself a nice apple.
Yeah, they look nice. There's a maggot in it.
Having fun up there? Oh, you look gorgeous.
Thank you. I've been digging.